Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how you can get a scroll bar for your list view in Flutter. So let's say you have a list view and you want to add a scroll bar to your list. So what you can do is simply go ahead and wrap your list view with a widget called scroll bar like this. Okay, so scroll bar, just simply wrap it with it and save your app. Okay, so what you can see is now we have our scroll bar. Okay, so you can see we can customize it, we can increase its thickness by using this thickness property. Let's give it a thickness value of, let's say, 20, and when you scroll it you can see the thickness is increased. Okay, so now what we can do is we can always show using is always shown, and we can make it true. Let's just save our app. Okay, so as you can see now we have this red color, so let's just hot reload our app. Okay, so once we hot reload our app, it will give the default color to our scroll bar. Okay, so how you can change the color of your scroll bar? So you can head over to your material app, and inside themes we can give theme data. Okay, and inside theme data I'll simply remove this const. Okay, so and inside theme data we have scroll bar theme, and it takes in the scroll bar theme data. Okay, and now we can use thumb color property. It takes in the material state property dot all, and the value will be the color dot, let's say, a blue color. Okay, so let's just save our app. Let's just hot reload our app, and now we will see changes to our scroll bar color, thumb color. Okay, so as you can see here we have a blue color to our scroll bar in Flutter. Okay, so this is the simple way you can add scroll bar to your Flutter app in 2021. So hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next time.